Good morning. We made it through a Monday, and we can make it through today. And if by chance you feel like you can't, give me a shout. If you're struggling with life or meal prep or getting your cardio in or getting to your gym, whatever that may be, whether it's yoga, Pilates, pool, outdoor Miami Beach, whatever it is. Mine is my home gym. I'm here for you. You can message me on Insta, the.average.oiler. Facebook by my name. I'm here for you. Just know you're never alone. And with me comes a tribe of like-minded people. So those, what do you call them? The word has escaped me, but it's a chat on Insta, but nobody can actually chat other than you. I don't get that, but that's there. If you want me to do that, let me know. I just am juggling with my inner demons still. Eating to plan, because the plan is the plan. I'm very black and white. There is no gray with me. And, well, that goes for relationships too. I am extremely forgiving to my detriment, unless you have harmed someone in my family or a friend. Then my mama bear comes out, and I hold that. I forgive them of what they do, but not what they've done. Does that make sense? So I accept people for where they're at, and then I just keep them at that distance. In my personal life, my detachment game is so strong. And I'm like that with food or exercise even. I'm a balls to the wall or none girl. My mom always used to say I'm a full speed and sleep kind of gal, which is very true. I thought I would talk about my body morphing, if that was of interest one day. Let me know. But I'll leave you with this thought and keep today's message short and sweet. Or maybe it's not a thought and rather a challenge. Watch what you drink. There's a lot of empty calories in beverages we consume. So that could be a Starbucks, a soda, a coffee, a tea, a latte, alcohol, non-alcoholic, Slurpees, even protein shakes, okay? Protein shakes being the lesser of any evil, because at least you're getting your protein. But in saying that, you also want to watch out for the ingredients and what make it up. It's always best to drink water, but these days, even water's not clean enough, right? You got pH balanced water, which is generally what I drink, just because I used to think my system was highly acidic because I always suffered from heartburn. Well, over the years of being a wellness advocate through doTERRA, I have learned that it's actually the opposite. I get the heartburn because my stomach doesn't produce enough acid to break down my food. And so it ferments. And that fermentation is what's causing my heartburn. Not actually acid. So by adding some apple cider vinegar to my diet, or drinking it in the morning as a shot with some cayenne and essential lemon oil, I do the lemon oil versus lemon because the actual acid of the lemon can eat at the enamel of your teeth, but the oil is made from pressing the rind, so you get the flavor and the benefits without the acid. But yeah, just a teaspoon to a cup, and a teaspoon of the vinegar, apple cider, raw, unpasteurized with the mother, to a cup of warm water, pinch of cayenne, drop of lemon oil. Fires up your metabolism, strengthens your kidneys, your UTI, and balances your pH. Okay, long-winded. But water, by the time we feel dehydrated, oh, you're so far gone. We do not drink enough water, and our body is water. So, you want to curb your bloating, you want to help your digestion, you want to feel mentally alert, you want ease of movement, some plumpness in your skin, some dewy glow. You want your brain to function, your body to function, your digestive to function. Water. It's not coffee. It's not Starbs. It's not energy drinks. Toss that shit. But we also need to balance it with electrolytes, right? There's a good, better, and best to everything. So, water is great. Adding a pinch of Celtic sea salt makes it more bioavailable for our system and contains minerals that we are deficient in. So try it and let me know what you think. Okay, enough for one day. Peace, love, and an ass kicking when you need it, yo. Bye for now.